Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So to start with screen recording, you can either use a combination of Windows Shift and R keys and Windows Shift and R at the same time. Or alternatively, you can use a print screen button. And then to begin a screen recording, select the record option on the right by clicking on it. Then draw a shape to select recording area. And once you draw a shape, you'll be able to reshape and resize it by dragging the sides and the corners of it. You'll also see these two icons at the top bar. This one mutes your microphone and this one unmutes your microphone, and this one mutes system audio. And in order to start recording, click this button. Let the Snipping Tool access your microphone. Okay, and from now on, everything that happens within the selected area will be shown on the recording. Now, using this button, you can pause the video. Red square stops and saves the video, and the trash icon deletes recording. Okay, so let's stop the recording, and once we do that, we'll see the full video. So you can rewatch it and you can trim it using this tool. And you can also edit this video in Clipchamp by clicking right here. Now, to find your screen recording, you'll have to go to the File Explorer, Videos, and Screen Recordings folder. And here it is. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.